Lest we forget. You have heard this phrase before. It means so that we do not forget. Originally penned by Rudyard Kipling, the words today serve as a reminder, not of wars elsewhere, but of battles fought online. Because every day, cyber fraudsters are claiming new victims, and people are losing their life savings in minutes. Just like this doctor in Coimbatore, he lost nearly 2.9 crore after a fraud call. The caller, identifying himself as cyber police, claimed the doctor was under digital arrest. He was told to stay inside his room and transfer money to clear his name. Even when the real police arrived, he refused to open the door, abiding by the fraudsters. Lest we forget. In Bangalore, a 75-year-old woman was promised big stock market returns. Fraudsters, posing as investment advisors from a fake company, convinced her to transfer 2 crore rupees. When she tried to withdraw the money, they demanded more fees. Only then she realized it was all a scam. Lest we forget. In Mumbai, a 72-year-old woman lost 1.5 crore after sending food to her daughter abroad. Scammers claimed her courier contained illegal items. They even video called her wearing fake police uniforms. Terrified, she shared all her bank details, believing it was part of an investigation. Lest we forget. In Kerala, a pharma firm owner lost 25 crore in a fake online trading scheme. Fraudsters showed him forged profit statements, even doubling his returns on paper. He only realized the truth after the platform vanished. Even stars are not spared. Actor Sagar Karande was tricked into a task fraud. He was paid small sums for liking videos, then asked to invest for bigger tasks and higher returns. He ended up losing 61 lakh rupees. This scam now targets hundreds daily on Telegram and WhatsApp. Lest we forget. These stories are not isolated. Every new scam starts with a message, a call, or a promise that sounds too good to be true. Let's remind ourselves again that no genuine official will ever ask you to transfer money or share bank details, lest we forget. So stay alert, stay informed, and if you are ever in doubt, call 1930, the cybercrime helpline.